Hi guys, what's up? If you are new to this channel, first of all, welcome. If you haven't already, please check some of my previous episodes so you know what I'm talking about. A few weeks ago I was in Finland. I bought a car amplifier from there. Obviously I should install this amplifier to my car, but at the moment I have a small problem. Let me show you what I mean. This is my workshop. As you can see, it's pretty full of stuff. My friend is moving. She can't move yet to this new apartment. And this is my office. I don't have space to do pretty much anything. Some of my machines I could maybe take outside, but well, I hope after 1 week this stuff is out. So what can I do? Inside not much. But because the weather is very nice, instead of staying inside, I will go outside and I will do something different. I will show you part of Switzerland. If you come to Switzerland and you will use public transport, download SBB mobile app. It will tell you how you will get from A to B. You can buy tickets with this app and it will automatically charge your credit card. I've been using it for years and I think it's much easier to use than these ticket automats, the train stations. My first step is to go from Zofingen to Flüelen by train. This app gives me everything what I need to know. It will give me all the trains what I have to use to get there. It gives me all the time information, all the platforms and how much time I have to change to the next train. And next I'm going to take the train to Lucerne. Sometimes these trains can be really full. Lots of people, okay, now it's holiday time, so there's lots of families with children. So I think it's a good thing that people use these trains. I have to say, in Switzerland, these trains work pretty good. Next I will take a train from Lucerne to Arth-Goldau.
I've been contemplating all my time. My thoughts make me tired, just running through my mind. Wonder if there's peace that I could find, instead of always being on the ground. I need a new purpose. I'm looking for so much more. Don't leave me here searching. You're just what I'm longing for. When times are getting crazy and everything seems hazy, is there some place for safety I can go? Run away, run away, run away to your escape. Run away, run away, run away, you're never too far to run. Run away, run away, run away to your escape. Sometimes I just wanna disappear, running until I can feel you near. I need a new purpose. I'm looking for so much more. Don't leave me here searching. You're just what I'm longing for.
Okay, it's pretty windy here. I hope you can hear me. So finally, after about 2 hours in a train, I'm in Flüelen. This is obviously next to the lake and kind of in the other end of the lake. From here I will take a ship which is going to Lucerne. This whole trip it takes about almost 3 hours because it will stop in many places between this and Lucerne. Might be that I will jump off the boat in Brunnen which is very nice place, and maybe I will drink there something, eat there something. This ship is going every after 1 hour. From Brunnen I will take the next ship, and then I will go straight to Luzern. Finally here in Brunn. Beautiful place, weather is amazing, not too hot, a little bit of wind on the lake. Actually there was quite much wind on the lake. I'm going to burn my head, but that's normal. I have here now about 1 hour, maybe a little bit less, before the next boat is coming, and next I'm going to eat something. I don't know yet what. Maybe I can find even McDonald's, traditional Swiss food. I don't know, hamburger or pizza or something. Okay, I didn't go to any restaurant, so I took the classic Coop lunch. Zöpfli, Schinken, Käse, and Schweppes bitter lemon. I don't actually have so much time anymore, for the next ship is coming. It's already there. Oh, I have to be fast. 8 francs, 20 frappen. I hope it's good.
I'm stuck in this pattern where every little thing matters too much. I can see the stains of of all the careless words. I say them 'cause they hurt. Staring at a map where I can't read the legend. I question every method I have. So I'm looking back to how we got things started when I gave you my heart, yeah. Oh, I still know the way. Oh, this train is running late. I seem a little far away, but I'll get there someday. Wait on me, wait on me, wait on me. Wait on me, wait on me, wait on me. I need to reach out and stop our world from spinning. Find a new beginning for us. Even when I'm in doubt, I've gotta trust my instincts. I know you're standing with me. Oh, I still know the way. Oh, this train is running late. I seem a little far away, but I'll get there someday. Wait on me, wait on me, wait on me. Wait on me, wait on me, wait on me. Wait on me, wait on me, wait on me. Oh, I still know the way. Oh, this train is running late. Might seem a little far away, but I'll get there someday. I still know